You have heard it on the news. You have heard it from bankers. The ultimate argument against Bitcoin. It is completely useless. It takes 10 minutes and costs $20 just to buy a cup of coffee. They laugh at it. They call it a failed experiment. But what if I told you? The mainstream media is completely blind to how a global financial system actually works. It is true. The base layer of Bitcoin only processes a few transactions per second. A block is mined every 10 minutes. But let me ask you a question. Would you carry a physical 1 kilogram bar of solid gold to Starbucks to pay for an espresso? Of course not. That would be absurd. And treating Bitcoin's base layer like a simple swiping app is just as absurd. Welcome to the dark blueprint. Let's look at reality. Bitcoin's Layer 1 is not Visa. It is not PayPal. It is the ultimate, unhackable, global settlement network. It is the vault. The reason it is slow is because it is perfectly secure and decentralized. It takes 10 minutes because it is moving billions of dollars across the planet without asking any government for permission. It is digital Fort Knox. So, how do we buy the coffee? Enter the Lightning Network. Layer 2. The Lightning Network is built on top of Bitcoin. It processes millions of transactions per second. It is instant. It is private. And the fees are practically zero. You keep the absolute security of the vault, combined with the speed of a lightning bolt. The bankers know this. The media knows this. But they prefer to sell you the lie to keep you in their broken system. Don't let them blind you. Use the Lightning Network. Stack your Satoshis. And subscribe to Beyond Crypto to stay awake in a sleeping world.